Hi. This brief tutorial is for people with group admin rights on Skills Builder Benchmark. Depending on your setting, group admins are usually mentors, tutors or line managers. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a learner group. Once logged in, go to the admin dashboard. Click the Manage Groups tab, then click Add New Group. Name your group anything convenient for you and your learners. Then either hit the return key on your keyboard or click Add. A green banner will appear in the top right corner for a few seconds to show this was successful. Your new group will now appear in a table with a group code next to its name. Feel free to create more groups if needed, they will be listed in alphabetical order. Top tip: for maximum accuracy, use copy and paste when sharing each group code with your learners. And that's it. As soon as your learners join your group or groups, you will be able to see all their self-assessments, even past ones. Thanks for watching this video on how to create a learner group on Skills Builder Benchmark.